Across the world, most people still lack access to basic goods and services, nutrition, healthcare, shelter, and clean water that enable them to live healthy, hopeful, and fulfilling lives. And in most cases where solutions exist, they are often not designed for the environments in which people work and live.
And I started to realize that a significant amount of the world's population do not have access to technology, not only because they don't have money, but also because there are not enough smart products out there catering to these people. When I heard about Design Revolution and their approach towards solving global health care problems from a technology standpoint, I got very interested.
We work with local field partners, people who really understand the local environment, to leverage technology here in Silicon Valley to provide a spark that we can solve a problem.
I got involved in so many of these projects, partly because there's so few professional engineers out there working in this space.
It's unusual to have a combination of a ton of field experience, so people who really understand what it's like to work and live in developing countries, what are the challenges with electricity, with machining, with developing products on a day-to-day basis there, and combine that with the technical excellence that's needed to really engineer very good products.
The culture in terms of developing products is extremely innovative, extremely creative.
I'm an engineer by training, and I want to work on the most interesting and impactful problems.
We are not developing products to make significant amount of money. We are addressing real issues. We are addressing impact. We want to bring products to world to help people who have been denied access in the past. And that's what is unique about Design Revolution.
We met a young boy, his name was Kamal, and we watched Kamal put on the first prototype of the Jaipur knee and walk on it.
To be able to see someone engage in an activity that almost 90% of people, or all of us, take for granted, it just connects with something really powerful.
Technology is really only one part of it. To successfully deliver a product that has scalable impact, you need to do due diligence on the front end. And due diligence means understanding the markets, understanding the price point, understanding the local market infrastructure and the competitive landscape that you need to know to design a product that really meets user needs.
What truly differentiates Design Revolution is our focus on generating sustainable and measurable impact.
We only focus on problems that address over 1 million people, so impact. And impact is very important to us.
The Brilliance project is another really great project to design and distribute a low-cost phototherapy device for neonatal jaundice.
With the Brilliance project, it's not just enough that we produce a product that's effective, that treats children, that's world-class, that's low-cost. It's necessary that it gets sold, but really fundamentally that it gets used and it gets used properly.
To deliver our products to our customers, we collaborate with a global network of partners in the private, nonprofit, and public sectors. For example, we've engaged in a unique partnership with Phoenix Medical Systems to distribute, sell, and service Brilliance across India. To us, innovation is not just about building cool things. It's about developing and building solutions that change people's lives.
Innovation should come at an affordable price. I think that's when it's more meaningful innovation. And I hope that 20 years from now, that's the case.
The products we design are world-class. They're products that should be used in any part of the world, whether or not it's low income or high income. And our hope one day is that the products we produce for poor hospitals in India or other parts of the world will find their way back to the West and improve the healthcare we have in the West.
All these processes and design input coming together and helping out someone who could not be helped in the past with the same kind of quality products is very heartening. That's the most exciting part of it.
At the end of the day, it's more about people surviving and people being able to send their daughters to school and babies surviving. It's about the planet being able to work well together in a sustainable way. And that can't happen when basic needs aren't met.